What's up, guys? Listen up, because I just stumbled upon a massive gem that you literally cannot afford to miss. We're standing at the start of 2026, and if you've been looking for that one specific play to stack your bags without a massive upfront bankroll, this is it. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. Crypto trading involves high risk, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now let's get into it. MEXC just dropped the ultimate campaign, and it's absolute insanity. We're talking about Flipfest. This isn't just your typical trade and hope event. We are looking at a total prize pool of $5 million. Yeah, 5 million. I've seen a lot of campaigns, but the scale here is next level. The best part? The barrier to entry is basically zero. This isn't just a playground for the whales or the smart money. Whether you're a micro account holder or a high leverage pro, you have a seat at the table. MEXC took the boring trading grind and completely gamified it. We're talking cards, strategic upgrades, and daily rewards. It's high utility, high engagement, and honestly, a total no-brainer. I've dropped all the essential links in the description below. Grab that contest link and use my referral code to get your account set up. Do not sleep on this. Early birds get the best cards, and you want to be front-running this before the masses catch on. Let's break down the mechanics. The whole vibe of Flipfest is centered around hands or card sets. Think of it like a trading card game, but with real-world crypto rewards. You crush simple daily tasks, and the system grants you cards. The math is simple. The stronger and rarer your hand, the bigger your slice of that $5 million pie. Now, let's talk tasks. We aren't talking about anything impossible. Most are things you're likely doing anyway. Hit a quick futures trade, build some daily volume, or invite your crew. There's no crazy minimum threshold. You can start with pocket change, execute a few flips, and the system still registers your activity. It's about engagement, not just the size of your wallet. But here is the real strategy. What separates the casuals from the pros? Do not just sit on your basic cards. To maximize gains, you must use the upgrade mechanic. In Flipfest, you can merge duplicate cards to level up their rarity. This is the secret sauce. Why settle for a basic reward when you can boost your power and 10x your potential daily payout? You want to be at the top of the food chain to extract the most value. The reward cycle here is incredible. One of the biggest pain points in crypto is participating in an event and then waiting 3 months for the payout. We don't have time for that. In Flipfest, rewards are distributed daily. You trade, you quest, you level up, and you see the results on your balance just 24 hours later. That instant feedback loop is exactly what we need to keep the momentum going. Compared to other exchange campaigns, MEX is winning on fair play. No gatekeeping, no requirement to lock up thousands of dollars in obscure tokens for 90 days. It's pure activity-based rewards. This makes it the perfect entry point for beginners and a massive scalp opportunity for seasoned traders. Pro tip: watch for the streak bonuses. Consistency is king. If you hit your tasks several days in a row, the system throws multipliers at you. It's a snowball effect. You moon your rewards without actually taking on more trading risk. It's about playing smart, not just hard. For my conservative viewers, don't feel like you have to be a leverage degenerate. Focus on social tasks and low-risk flips. Even without aggressive trading, you're still farming cards and securing your spot in the daily pool. It's a low-stress way to build your portfolio while the market does its thing. The UI is super clean. You're not digging through menus. Everything, your cards, hand strength, tasks, and the countdown is on one dashboard. Total transparency. You know exactly where you stand and what you need to hit the next tier. I've been testing this myself, and the dopamine hit when you pull a rare card is real. It's addictive, it's fun, and most importantly, it's profitable. It turns stressful trading into a strategic game where the odds are tilted in your favor if you put in the work. The market right now is prime. Volatility is our friend. Using that volatility to complete Flipfest tasks is the ultimate double dip. You're catching market moves and earning from the prize pool simultaneously. That's how smart money plays. Clock is ticking. The deadline is February 1st. In crypto, that's practically tomorrow. Every day you wait is a day of rewards you're handing to someone else. Don't let the FOMO hit you when the payout screenshots start flooding Twitter. Check the links in the description. Get registered, jump into the Flipfest tab, and start building your hand today. It takes 5 minutes, but the upside is a game changer for your January stats. Once you're in, come back and drop a comment. I want to know what cards you're pulling and your level up strategies. Let's build a thread of alpha. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notifications. I hunt for gems like this every day. Thanks for rocking with me. Now get out there, start flipping those cards, and let's get these gains. Catch you in the next one.